What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the fun. Today we're down here in Abilene, Texas. Yes, Abilene, Texas. Been here before. We're someplace called the Courts. This is where Bonnie and Clyde actually came through at one time, supposedly. Who knows? Anyway, just came here and I was into this random car show, so I decided to come in. Anyway, it's gonna be like a wing bingo show, but if you like the video, like, subscribe, and all that stuff, and let's go. So let's look at this. First of all is a Montclair. Look at the size of this thing, man. This is a Mercury Montclair. Got that inside. Look at how long this thing is. I'm still going back, still going back, still going back. Nice. So take a look at this. I call it the ZZ Topmobile. Wow. From the Keeper's Car Club, it's 31 Ford. Wow, that is clean. With the Edelbrock inside, yes sir, this is nice. Very, very clean. Very, very nice. Little fun fact about this Cadillac, it was designed by Pininfarina, and it kind of shows. This was the start of Cadillac, I believe, going into their new age design, and basically what we got today, you know, and all the Cadillacs that are out now, I think it really started here, you know, with this model and how it was designed. What do you guys think? Yep. Let's go to the pony cars. Camaro. I think it's a 68, 69. Very clean. Very well put together. Sorry about the sun, but it happens. So, when's the last time you saw one of these? A Monte Carlo SS. I think I learned how to drive in this car. I didn't drive in the Monte Carlo, but the SS, but I did learn how to drive in a Monte Carlo. Somewhat like this, but I think it was silver. Or was it a Regal? I don't know. Some random guy with an Alfa Romeo just kind of showed up. Where's all these Wingadinga cars? This guy shows up. Okay. So, a 1929 Ford Model Tudor. Huh. Look at this thing. Wow. This car's almost 100 years old, guys. Put that in perspective. This is a... Is it a Hellcat? Is it a kitty? I don't know. What is this? What is this? What is this? It's just an RT, but just an RT is saying something. That's clean. What do you guys think? So I just learned something today. This Dodge 67, I thought was a Dart, but I believe it's just an RT. Sorry for the shaky thing. Look at that. Wow. Kind of long, but kind of cool. Found this over here in the shade. This nice little Bel Air with some fat boys on the back. Huh. Man, that is clean. That's a really clean example. Look at the engine bay. Yes, sir. Very nice. Now this. Yes. Kids, if you don't know what this is, you should. This is when GM was trying things that were new. This is a Pontiac Fiero. And this is the Fiero that I always wanted. Looks like a Ferrari. I think it's got a V6 in the back. I don't think they ever put an 8, but check out the interior. That is, man, he's even got the slotted brakes. Okay. Right on, right on. So just randomly back here, man, look at the goat. This GTO. Man, this, I don't think I've ever seen this color combination in a GTO. That is wild. I wonder if that's a stock color that came with this. I don't think I've ever seen this color on a GTO. Wow. Just sitting randomly back here. Z06, C7. Ooh. I still like this car. Clean interior. Wow. I think this is one of the only Corvettes I've seen today. Camaro. I think this is a 73, 76? What year is this? 75. Remember when these are all around on the roads? Now, they're at classic car shows. Here's another Bel Air. Oh, it's very clean too. Look at that interior. Jeez. That is very clean. Look at how big the trunk is, man. My God. I'm digging this little roadster here. It's not quite a rat rod, but it is very, very cool. Dig it. So I want you to take a look at this Mustang. This is very, very clean. Very, very clean example. Very nice. Put together very, very well. Got a lot of clean cars out here. I think this is another Bel Air. I believe this is a Bel Air. If I know my car is right. Or is this, no, this is just a blue Chevy 210. Okay. I'm learning, guys. Okay, yeah, this is wild. Yeah, got the 8 tracks on the SS. What do you guys know about that? I haven't seen an 8-track in so long. Oh, man. Very clean, very, very clean. Look at the 8-track inside. What do you guys know about that?
Us cool and keeping us rested.
Look at this thing. Just listen to it. This thing's chopping, bro. Look at that. That is nice.
Thank you for coming.
Yes, sir. Came to the back here. That is a nice, I know this is, it better be an Impala. I'm not wrong. Wow. Very cool, man. Very nice. I'm not much of a truck guy, but I do know this custom, it's Chevy, is it a Chevy S10? I'm not sure, but I know this is a cool truck. Like I said, this is a spur of the moment thing, so hope you guys like it. So remember that car that I said was almost 100 years old? This is 103 or more. Good Lord. It's an old Dodge, I believe it is. It is 1923. Still on the road. That is amazing. So I learned a little bit about this place, the courts. Apparently these were like a motor lodge where people, when they came off the freeway as they were traveling, look, an Alpha, dude, what the heck? Sorry. Anyway, when they came off the freeway, they would come here, and this was a place that people would stay. That's why Bonnie and Clyde were here, apparently, when they were doing their thing. And they're refurbishing this and going to bring it back to life. So, pretty cool. Alpha. So your boy's sweating. It's hot, as you can tell. Another hot Abilene day, but this is a pretty good get-together of people just in a small car show, small town. You know, if you've never been to Abilene, you know, I was stationed here many moons ago, but just a small get-together for Father's Day. It's kind of nice. Well, that's it. It is done. It is getting hot, and it was fun. Anyway, I'll be back hopefully in the DFW area next week for more cars and coffee action up there. Something a little bit different now, but If you liked the video, like, subscribe, and all that jazz. Until the next one, late.